So I'm going to be making a connection between tree frogs and octopus. So for my RLA, I did tree frogs, and a fellow classmate, Alyssa, did octopus, and I'm going to be making a connection between them. So some key similarities, which there aren't many. I know there was more similarities between my other connection, but I thought it was crucial to kind of make a connection with species that might not think that they might be alike, but we can find some similarities between them. So they both can live in water. They both are herbivores and carnivores, and they both have the ability to camouflage, which is an adaptation for both of them, which I did not know. Some key differences, which there are many between the two species, is they are complete opposite in most ways. One is a sea creature, while one lives in both inland environments, ponds, and lakes. Octopus have 3 hearts, while frogs only have 1, and octopus have tentacles, while frogs have legs. So there's just some pictures from both of our RLAs. So you can see the tree frog and the octopus look absolutely nothing alike. But I thought it was crucial to see a picture of both of them. So some key similarities that I found between both of our RLAs is the fossil records. So I found that these two fossil records look pretty similar to each other. They're both able to fossilize, which I found interesting that octopus can fossilize in that way. And they're both fossilized in not amber. Fossils have been found for tree frogs in amber and in a more traditional fossilized way, but these are both non-amber fossils, and they're both dating back to around the same time period as well, where the tree frog is more in the late Cretaceous, and the octopus fossil, this one is more of the late Devonian period, so a little bit before. But yeah, I found that the images of the fossils look pretty similar, which I found was interesting since they have 2 different living environments. And then what I have learned from Alyssa's RLA is that octopus are located in the continental shelf with rocky bottoms. I had no clue what the continental shelf was, but I learned by her RLA that it's a shelf in the portion of the continent where there is shallow water that is submerged. And I also found out that an adaptation of octopus is to change colors to avoid their prey. I never knew that was used as to avoid their prey as an adaptation, but I thought that was just an ability that the octopus had, but I found that really interesting. So they can both camouflage as well, as I mentioned earlier, so that's a similarity between tree frogs and octopus, is that they both camouflage to protect themselves and to increase their fitness. And that is